Okay, guys, so this your guy, the cyber coach. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, please, icon. I want you to subscribe. I want you to comment at the end, and I want you to, sorry, to comment and like and share. Tell me how this video helps you, okay, and how my videos actually are helping you start or improve your cybersecurity skills. Okay, so today I want to show you some must know or must learn or must master. You understand? The Kali Linux command, that's the most important. You know that as a cybersecurity, if you don't master Kali Linux, is you will be very lost and very frustrated. And before rushing to know how to do things or how to do, the 2 minute or 5 minutes tutorial, do it by yourself. Please, no, stop. You have to learn it on the right way. That's why I want to guide you during all the process. Okay, so sorry for my voice because I have like a kind of flu. So that's it. So let's open. You have to open your Kali Linux and start learning, right? Remember, um, I want you to remember that I know that like the previous video we learned some, and then we still do some revision here and then. So the new command that I want you to know, probably most of you don't know, but if you want to know the date of today, maybe the time, I don't know, it depends. You can type this command, date. Just type date, and date will actually print on your terminal the date of today. You understand? That's the date of today. Today is Thursday, December 12th. All right. So that's it, and the time according to your time frame that you set when setting your computer. And the second command, probably when working, you can be found yourself that you want to know the date, you want to know, even see the calendar. Of course, you can type this command cal. As you type cal, and it will give you the calendar of the month. Okay. That's the second command I want you. Some of you, when you will be typing cal, they'll ask you if you want to install, because probably the repository or the package is not installed. You can just hint yes, I want to install, and then when it will finish, it will actually appear as it appears on my screen. Okay. The next command that I know you guys will learn it last time, and I want you to master it and master how to use it, is the command. Is the cd command. You understand? The cd command. The cd command. So you remember that we said that when you put cd space dot dot, it brings you to the previous command, the command before this command. Remember, when you do cd and then you type the name of, like, yani, the name of the command that you want to go, or the path to reach that command, and you hint, you will then go to that command. The next command that we will know, I want you to master also, is probably the ls command. Okay, because the ls command helps you list what is inside, and I think we learned it last time. The ls command, when you type, for example, ls command, I want to know, it actually lists what is inside in this directory where I am. When I say directory, remember in Linux, when they say directory, is folder for Windows user. A folder in the equivalent or the alternative of a folder in Linux is, they call it directory. Okay, so that's it. So for example, cd, I want to go to anonymous. Okay, and remember, I say you should make sure that your writing it fits with what is actually. If, for example, I put anonymous with a like this, it will not show anything. Okay, so I have to respect exactly the way it is written. Okay, and then I type it. When I type ls will show me whatever is inside this folder. Okay, when I want to go back slash. Okay, if I want to go to the previous, before this, where I was in another folders. If you type cd and then space slash, it will bring you to the previous, because I was before anonymous. You understand? So cd, so you remember that to say cd, you can do cd to go to a directory. Okay, like root, I can type root. I am now in a directory of root. You can see it from here. Okay, and you can also use cd. You can use cd if you want to go back. You can use cd space if you want a slash, if you want to go to the previous directory. And ls, now you learn ls, and with ls you can actually list, you can do ls slash space slash l to list the permissions of all the directory of files in a very direct way you are. For example, if I want to hint ls here, ls slash it will show me all the directory here. These are the normal directory I have, the normal files that I have, files and directory, and it will list me all the permissions. We will talk about permissions in another video. You understand? That is it. Okay, and the date I created them. Okay, that is it. And here is the weight of each file. Okay, so if I hint ls a, it will give me the hidden files inside that very directory. Remember, when we just put ls, nothing was there. But when we put ls space slash a, we have all these files. They were hidden, but they were still there. Okay, you have to understand it. You will understand how it is important to master this command when we will start doing our penetration testing, our exercises, the real hacking stuff. You understand? That's very important. And I noticed that a lot of people have these basics issues. You understand? So, okay, our next thing that I want you to master also is the command copy. You understand? I want you to master copy. Um, how can I say it? I want to say it in a proper way. Mm, Copy, for example, the command copy, there's a difference between command copy and command move. Okay, that's our copy command, and there is another command that they call move. It's like in Windows, copy is the equivalence in Windows as copy and paste in Windows. Okay, when in Linux, when they put copy, for example, these are the file we have here, and I want to copy this and bring it to that directory. For example, I say, okay, copy this cyber and to bring it to anonymous. Okay, so for example, if I go to anonymous and then I hint ls, we have it here. It's copy and paste in our in our Linux. So now let's go back. Okay, let's go back. Let's use move command. If I want to move now this cybertext file, and then I say, okay, move this and bring it to anonymous. It's just like cut. It will be cutting it. You will see. Okay, so now if we type ls, we don't have longer this cyber. When here we still have it, we used to see it here, but after moving it, it just cut it from here and bring it there. Okay, let me enter this anonymous. Okay, and then see. Okay, now we have this. Let me say, okay, I want you guys to understand how move is actually working. I say, okay, move this and bring it to the root. Sorry, no, bring it to, sorry, let me just first enter, let me just open this here. I want to understand what is the directory and what is the path of this directory, and here what is the path of this directory. Root, right? Okay, that's root. I say, okay, here I am in this, let me move it. I say move this cyber and bring it, I want you to bring it to root, and see the magic. We can cut it here from anonymous as we are moving it here, and as we are pasting it to another directory, we can decide the name you want to change. Let me just say you put it and you give it this name, cyber2.txt. okay, now let's go to our new directory. Let's see. Wow, we paste it, and as we cut it from anonymous, we paste it, and we decide to change the new name, okay, and give it a new name. Hope you guys understand how this thing is working, right? You understand probably. So okay, that's good. Let me just show you another very important uh, let me say, a very important command that you guys need to know is the command echo. Okay, let me say echo. The command echo print whatever we are writing in front of it. As I type echo, let me say my name is the cyber coach, and I am one of the best practical hacker. Okay, if I hint okay, enter, it will just print whatever I wrote there. Let's just imagine that we want to save this into a file using this echo. Let me say, okay, echo. Let me just copy it here. My name is this. Let me just copy, and then let me use echo, and then I paste it. Okay, to save it with a new name, to save this, as I don't want it to print, but I want it to save into a file, a txt file. I just put this bigger than sign, and then I put the name. Okay, cyber YouTube tutor. Okay, YouTube txt, and then I hint. Let's say ls, we have our YouTube txt file here. We created with echo. We wrote what is inside, and then we put greater than, and then we put the name we want to save the file. Now this very interesting thing that we have a note that the second command that I want you to master is the command card, because the command card help us to display what is inside a file that we already save or created. For example, I want to display what is in the YouTube. I have to make sure that the YouTube is written normally, and I say okay, enter. Card is actually printing what is inside the YouTube file. You understand the difference, right? Okay, that's great. That's very great. And I know last time you also saw this, the P, what is my current, right? Print the working directory, my current directory. Now I'm in the directory called root. Okay. Hope you guys understand this too. And I don't want the video to be very long. Let me say let's stop it here, and then we will see new one in another video. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and let's meet ourselves to the next video. Please subscribe and comment, share the video so that other people can join our community, and let's grow the community. Okay, and I know that a lot of interesting things are coming. I know what you will learn here, and you will learn it in the best way, guys. Forget about the frustration, forget about the difficulties that you faced when struggling alone. So now you have somebody who will actually help you. And yeah, thank you guys for your attention. Big love. This is your guy, the cyber coach. Bye bye.